Okay, final day of the trip. Just on the outskirts, out of Aberdeen, headed for Eagan. 5 hours, we'll be home, and it'll be good to see Lori. Well, this bridge is a little wider. Feel a lot more comfortable driving across this. Calm on the right, white caps on the left. We're still in South Dakota, and the view just got really pretty. This is really a deep valley area here. You can see for miles. We are coming up on Millbrook, South Dakota, about a 3,500 population, and this is the birthplace of American League Baseball. This town also has a reconstructed grain elevator from the 1800s and is known for granite quarries. This town is just too cool to not drive down the main street, so here we are. Main Street, Millbrook. It's the county seat. You can see the county courthouse down at the end. A lot of old buildings here. Late 1800s, early 1900s, and it looks like most of them have business. This is a vibrant downtown. Very nice. And they even have a theater. Penny Pincher Discount Groceries. I like it. Okay, that's it for Millbrook. This is probably the last town in South Dakota before we hit the Minnesota border. This is pretty cool. Hopefully I can get a shot of it. Do you see? Turn this camera a little. There is a grain elevator hidden in the trees. That is old. We are in Appleton, Minnesota. And we're now going to be taking the Minnesota River Valley Scenic Byway. For 17 miles. Not Appleton, Wisconsin. Appleton, Minnesota. Pretty big town, but I haven't seen a business district. town of Milan, Minnesota. It's a speck on the map. We are an hour and 42 minutes from home. Not much changed. It's Minnesota cornfields and soybean fields. We are entering the little town of Cosmos. Give you a population here. 507. Still an hour and a half from home. And there's a Casey's. Cedar Mills is next. It's 9 miles. Well, that was Cedar Mills. What can I say? Up on Silver Lake. I think I'll stop and get gas here. So we'll take a look at the town, which has a population of 856 people. See if we can get into town. I don't think I want to take this one. Doesn't look too good. Wow. Main Street, Silver Lake. Not much left of this town. Which is surprising because it's on a lake. About 4 blocks down is the lake. Goodness, more construction. I think we've seen enough. There's the lake. Not far. Let's get out of this town. Now we're pulling up on a town called Minnetrista. And I have to say, Minnesota is the land of traffic circles. Since I've been in Minnesota, I've probably hit 7 or 8 traffic circles. In all of Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota, I didn't hit any. So here's one of those traffic circles. Just to slow everybody down. 33 minutes from home. It's really pretty in here, but man, the traffic is terrible. For construction. I didn't miss it. Well, here we are, headed up Nichols Road. The trip is over. And Google's estimation of arrival time is correct within 1 minute. Good trip.